The one question that it's always there, it's always people being like, Dre, how do I do this? How do I do that? Dre, why isn't this working? Dre, why? The reason for everything that I have come into contact with my clients always stems back to their dedication. They have no fucking dedication. They want the quick fix, okay? They're still addicted to this habit of want, fix, never take the time, slow the fuck down, become aware of what's happening, and just stop. It's always my job to give them that slap on the hand. Bad boy, you don't need to do that. Here's what you need to do. And it's always the simplest fucking thing. And here's what it is. Their mind is so wrapped up in bullshit that they've been fed that they have not let go of. They tricked themselves into thinking that they've let go of this, but they have not. They have not. They still wake up in the morning and eat a fucking bowl of cereal with cow's milk. Okay? They still have a big fat glass of orange juice, tons of sugar. They still think that these things are serving them. They think that their nutrition is on point. They think their fitness is on point. They go in the gym, they work out super bad. No effort, no intensity, super bad form. They just go through the movements. So we're gonna handle that today. Listen up. Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, you heard the rant, man. I'm gonna show you exactly why you cannot take 2 steps back because you're so addicted to the outcome. You want the results. You don't want to do the work, but you want the fucking prize. You want somebody else to go out into the Amazon jungle, put themselves in danger of dangerous animals and, tons of fucking shit like booby traps can happen, super Indiana Jones shit. Go out there, put themselves in danger, find the treasure, and then come back and give you the prize. That is not going to work for you, man. That is not going to work. Here's why. When that's you, smiley face, you better be smiling. When you take the time to just put yourself out here, that's all it takes. That's all it takes. But to deny yourself the pleasures of absolute separation and awareness, you stay in your head. Nothing gets done. You cannot bring yourself to make the steps and take the actions, even the little ones. Waking up 5 to 10 minutes earlier, just dragging yourself out of bed, throw on some headphones, listen to some Tibetan monks or singing bowls, and meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. That is so difficult for some men because they want the fucking prize. They have not conditioned themselves to do the work. That's what this rant is all about. And I'm going to teach you why this is important. Everything you are right here, okay, is identified You identify with this self. This is what you want to do away with. You are not going to lose who you are. This was the biggest fear of mine. I have cultivated this person for so many years. I'm going to lose myself. I'm going to become a totally different person that sucks. And I'm not going to be like as cool as I was. Fuck no, man. You actually become way cooler. You become a better version of who you think you are now. Okay, so this hurt. This is where, in my opinion, when I go back and I look at the progress I've made in my life, I think, how can I put this, in easy context for somebody to understand that's in their teens, in their 20s, jump in the fire. That is how I picture it. You literally have to jump in the fire. Here's what happens. Let me give you a little bit of a visual. When you take this body, who you are now, and you want to become better, you want to become a better man. To separate yourself, you have to put this body in the fire. And when you put yourself in the fire, everything that is you, that is good, stays. You don't have an opinion of this. This is not your choice. This is the universe's choice, the eternal. What you do is you burn away all of the bullshit, the conditioning, the trauma, the emotional responses you've had to past lives that you just don't need. They do not serve you. How does this happen? You become meta-present. You transcend this physical being. And by doing that, that is the jump in the fire that I'm talking about. Separation is as you jump in the fire and all of the bullshit burns off of you, you transcend into greatness. And this does not happen just once, but the first time is memorable. For me, holy shit. It was just, I will never forget it. I will never forget sitting in my living room and having that insane experience. It was a total acid trip. It was a total acid trip. I literally felt pieces of me fall away. And what was happening is I was just creating more and more separation. And as these pieces fell away, I transcended the old self, the old identity, by becoming aware and creating separation. When you do this, you can begin to baby step your way to healing yourself, to becoming better, okay? Because this is the problem. This is the problem. Most modern men are conditioned to be a certain way. Media, family, teachers, mainstream. When you disconnect, you literally disconnect from the matrix, you can become better. It's fucking that easy. But the hardest part is allowing this to happen. When you have such an addictive sense of identity, it is so hard to let go of. The first thing that you need to let go of is the old self. The old self. Once this happens, you have made the first step. When a toxic sense of identity has literally hijacked your mind, you cannot let this go on for years and years and years. This is why I'm sure you have people in your family or friends or somebody you know who's older, 70 plus, 80 plus, and they're children. It is almost grotesque to see that. Now, when you have a grown man that is doing this, the older and older you get, the more ingrained and more ingrained your identity becomes. In the beginning, to let go of this is so key. It is so important to do it. It's nip it in the bud as soon as possible. And when you're younger, it's crucial. In this day and age, modern men being with social media, internet, how easy it is to brainwash ourselves with the wrong shit. So easy. Separation from this behavior is numero uno, my friend. If you want more on this, on how to transcend your current identity, link is in the description, man. Follow the link, hit me up. I will walk you through step by step whatever problem you're facing to help you become a better man. Thank you for watching. I want you to go downtown and like this video, share it with a friend who needs this information, who can benefit from this value. I'll see you in the next one, man.